Now with me today, I'm joined by Marat Ressin. Marat runs a very successful institute called the YEDI Institute that has locations across the GTA and specifically one in the city of Vaughan. Marat, first of all, why don't you tell us a little bit about YEDI and what you guys do?
Sure. YEDI is York Entrepreneurship Development Institute, and it's University-linked business accelerator, which runs different programs at Scheel School of Business, York University. We have different business acceleration campuses, and one of them located in the city of Vaughan.
And so, Marat, why don't you tell us about a recent successful award that you guys achieved?
Yeah, this year we were ranked as #1 University-linked business accelerator in the world. Wow. As I always say to my students, that business is like a tree. If it's not growing, it's dead. And YEDI always try to grow. And today is my most important goal is to make sure that YEDI grows to Western Europe. We are very well represented in Asia, Eastern Europe, Latin America, and so on. And Western Europe is our next step to make sure we will provide soft landing opportunities for European companies that want to come to North American market. And Canada is a great gateway to North America and for Canadian startups to go to European markets.